Hello everyone, welcome to Host IT Smart Video Tutorial. Today we will see how to create FTP account in cPanel. FTP allows you to manage the files on your website. You may create and manage file transfer protocol, FTP, accounts for your website using the cPanel interface. When you sign up for cPanel hosting or establish an add-on domain, an FTP account is generated by default in your cPanel. To access this account, log in with your cPanel username and password. It may also be necessary to create a new FTP account to grant access to developers or other users without providing them with cPanel login credentials. For each additional FTP account created, you may additionally assign each user different levels of access by allocating them to a specific directory. So, let us see how to set up the FTP account. Log into your cPanel account. Go to the File section below the Email section. Then, click on the FTP Accounts option. Here you will see a new page with 4 text boxes. In the Login text box, enter the username for the FTP account. Select the desired domain name from the drop-down menu. Now type the password that you want to use in the password text box. And in the password, again, text box, type the password again. The strength bar shows the relative strength of the password you entered. We recommend using cPanel's password generator option, which will generate a random, strong password for you. You may also use advanced options to comply with any organizational password standards such as minimum password length, uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Copy the password into a safe place. Check the box and then press the Use Password button. In the directory text box, type the directory to which the FTP account will have access. The FTP account's username will be the default name for this directory, which is located under your public HTML directory by default. Now you can specify the quota for the FTP account. By default, the quota will be unlimited. To set the quota, type the number in megabytes for the maximum directory size. Now click on Create FTP Account, and your FTP account will be created. You can now see the list of FTP accounts by navigating to File section and then FTP Accounts. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and share this video. For more information or support, please email us at info@hostitsmart.com. Thank you.